Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Allison, and today I have a new scrapbook layout to share with you. I'm still playing with the Awesome Story Kit by Ali Edwards. I have one more layout after this one to create using this kit, I think. And then hopefully I will have the next story kit and I can start creating layouts with that one. Off the top of my head, I can't remember what it is. So, it'll be a surprise. But in the meantime, I will share with you what I am doing in this layout. So I really wanted to do something a little bit different rather than just a full-size photo and or page with journaling on it, and then another sort of page to supplement the oversized photo. So instead of doing that, I decided to print a 4x6 photo and just use it as it was. I'll add hole punching to it so it can go straight into the album. But to accompany that photo, I thought that I would use a pocket page to tell this story, and it actually works out quite well. So in the pockets are going to live 3 different journaling cards. The third journal card is actually going to be part of a close to my heart flip flap. So it flips out and it will hold my journaling. But for right now, I'm just working on the embellishment part of this layout. So I took the printed rainbow 3x4 inch journaling card from the kit, added 2 chipboard pieces with liquid glue. You could see me fighting with my ATG. I was trying to use ATG adhesive to adhere them, but it didn't want to cooperate. So that was fine. I just used my liquid glue, and then I fussy cut the third element that makes up the column right down the middle of that first journal card from pattern paper that came from the kit. I just fussy cut it out and then used my liquid adhesive to glue that to the journal card. The second journal card has some printing on it already. It says something along the lines of, this was awesome and this is the reason why, or here's the reason why. And then it has a little heart printed over top of it. I decided to add a puffy heart, also from from Ali Edwards, to cover the printed heart. I added some extra journaling to this journal card because I forgot to add just a little snippet. So I made up for that mistake by adding this journal card. The initial journal card is the one that I'm working on right now. I printed my journaling onto that and decided that I would sandwich these 2 journal cards together in the end because they're going into the same pocket to live. So rather than having them flopping around and you can see the other card from behind the card that you're looking at, I thought I'd glue them together so they become one piece. I am taking another puffy heart and I'm going to pop it in between the letter N and D in the word wonderful. I'm just trying to decide which one I want to use. In the end, I settled for this really dark blue one. I think it's like a navy blue. It reads as black, but I think it's actually blue. On the flip side, part of me, I use 4 journal cards from the kit, not just 3. I took this green journal card and I'm going to put another chipboard piece over top of it, but I decided to glue it to the flip flap instead of the actual journal card, just for something different. There's really no other reason why I did it that way. I used my liquid glue just to be sure that it stays there permanently. And once that's done, I will attach this flip flap to the pocket page. It's going to go over top of the bottom pocket on the pocket page. But once that's done, here's my photo. It's a photo of my daughter's birthday cake. She decided she wanted a cake that said, "You got old." And the whole story behind this layout and what makes it awesome is, as you all know, February 22nd of this year was a palindrome. And if you don't know what a palindrome is, it is numbers that read the same, whether you read it from the front to the back or the back to the front. That day was my daughter's 12th birthday. So not only was it a Tuesday, it was also 2/22 of 22, and they were turning 12. So it was a huge deal for us, for them to celebrate their birthday on this day. Here are my close-ups. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and a like, and I will be back again soon with more creative inspiration. Bye friends.